Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome low-impact core strengthening workout. That's right, we're gonna work on those abs. It's gonna be awesome, so let's get into it. We're gonna be doing 2 sets. The first one, I'm gonna do a little bit more explaining. It's more of a demonstration. We're still doing it together. And then the second set, less talking, more doing straight through the workout. So starting on our backs, we're gonna be doing a single leg lift, all right? I'm gonna be giving you 2 variations that you can do this. You can do them with both your legs, starting straight out and just lifting one straight up as much as you can, and then back down. Or if that's a little bit too difficult, you can go ahead and bend that other knee and go ahead and lift that way. Now the goal here is to press your lower back into the ground. You can arch even though you're laying down, so we don't want this. We want to really press our back into the ground. All right, breathe. And if you really want to challenge yourself for both 30 seconds, you can try to do both legs at the same time, all right? So 3 variations for you. Go ahead and pick your one, 30 seconds, right leg, let's go. Having your hands out to your side for stability, spread those fingers, that'll help. Always make sure that you're looking straight forward, all right? Just try to listen to my voice, all right? If you do look over to the screen, be careful with your neck. Breathe, tight core, all right? Really using those lower abs to bring up your leg. You can hold a little bit if you want here, and then come down slowly if you need to. All right, 3, 2, 1, very good. Other side, 30 seconds. To challenge yourself, instead of just going up and down, you can go really, really, really slow, using those core muscles to come up, hold, and then come down. But if that's a little bit too difficult for you, go ahead and, pick up the pace. It's still benefiting your core muscles, and you'll get stronger with time. 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Slow down, and relax. Very good. Go ahead and stretch your arms overhead. Nice big stretch, and relax. Very good. Now we're gonna be doing a knees to chest. All right, we're gonna bring both our knees to our chest and then extending back out, all right? If doing both at the same time is too difficult for you, go ahead and do one at a time, alternating, all right? And if you wanna kick it up a notch for either variation, go ahead and go in crunch mode. So not lifting your neck, not pulling on your neck. We're lifting our shoulders off the mat, and then, all right, staying in crunch position. And you can do that with either variation, one knee or both knees. And if you want, go ahead and do both like that, like what I'm doing. One knee, and then both. So you can switch it up. You got 30 seconds, choose your variation, and let's go. I definitely say that both knees are more difficult. And staying in crunch position while you do it. Very good. Remember not to strain your neck. Remember to always keep how Mare says it, a tennis ball size space under your chin and from your chest, all right? We don't want to be cramping our chin to our chest. Looking up if you can. 3, 2, 1, then hold, come out slowly, and relax. Very good. Bring those arms overhead again. Nice deep breath and relax. Very, very good. Now we're going to be Coming up gently at our own pace, turning around, going into a tabletop position. And next is a bird dog. This is awesome for your abs, for your back, for your leg, for your arms, everything. So making sure that your hand stacked below your shoulder, so it's a nice straight line, and your knee is stacked right below your hips, all right? Nice straight line there. Really important for the safety of your joints and to prevent injury. So bird dog, opposite arm and opposite leg. So if my right hand comes up, my left leg goes up. It's a nice straight line, and it's like there's a string going from fingertips of my fingers all the way to my toes, pulling, 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 and then come down and switch, all right? We're gonna be doing that alternating for 30 seconds. Go as slow as you need to. Proper form, so much more important than how many or how fast you're doing. That's why we do 30 seconds instead of reps, okay? So get in position, 30 seconds, and let's go. Very good. Remember to always come back to those staggered positions, hand under shoulders and knee under hips. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. All right, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come down. Go ahead and shake it out a little bit. That is one of my favorite exercises. It's really wonderful for the whole body. So anytime you're not sure what to do, go for that one. All right, next we have plank on knees. Don't run away, it's not a full plank. We're doing a half plank, so again, hand under your shoulders. We have our knees not completely under our hips, all right? We have them back a little bit, okay? And then we're going to crisscross our feet. We're gonna bring our hips down so we have a nice straight back, and we're gonna hold, all right? Hold like so. If you want to challenge yourself and come down a little bit, maybe do a push-up. All right, go for it. We're gonna hold that for 30 seconds. If you can't do the full 30 seconds, go ahead and take a break and then get back into it, okay? 30 seconds, do what you can. You can also go into it, with a full plank. If you want to go ahead and try a full plank, go for it. If not, go ahead, put your knees down. And let's rock and roll. Breathing. We're already halfway there, good job. Push your shoulders away from your ears. And I promise the next set, I'm not gonna talk so much. I just really wanted to give you guys direction in this first set. Safety first, so 3, 2, 1, and come out. Go ahead and go into a child's pose. Nice stretch there. Very good, and shake it out, shake it out. We're going to set number 2 now. Take a second, grab some water, and we're gonna do less talking, more doing, but don't forget to look at the time, so when you do come back to this workout and you wanna skip the demo, you know exactly where to start. All right, set number 2, we're gonna go straight through the workout. You know what to do. Starting with our lying single leg lifts. Go on your back. And ready, we got 30 seconds. Let's go. Remember, the slower you go, the more challenging it is. Press your back into the mat. Don't forget to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. 3, 2, 1. Come down slowly, slow, slow. Tight tummy, and very good. 30 seconds, other side. good. Don't forget to breathe. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Come down slow, slow, slow. Very, very good. Awesome job. Now we have our knee to chest. We can do both. Single, 30 seconds. Choose your variation. Remember to give space between your chin and your chest. You don't want to strain your neck. Tight core. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Come down slow, 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 and relax. Very good. Spread out those arms ahead. Deep breath. Very good, and sit up. We're gonna be going into our bird dog. Nice staggered straight lines here, and 30 seconds. You can also make this into a crunch if you want to challenge yourself. So you go in and then you crunch and then come down, or if you just do continuous crunch. Learning lesson right there. Right, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Shake it out. Roll out those shoulders. Breathe and plank. All right, you can plank on your knees or full plank, whatever you think is best for you. 30 seconds, and let's go. Breathing. Very good, halfway there. Even if you want to try the full plank and then maybe come down to your knees, you know? Or opposite, start on your knees and come out to a full plank. 3, 2, 1, gently come down, very good. Child's pose, stretch out those arms. And that is it, that was your set number 2. We killed it, awesome job. If you're ready for another set, go ahead and get it done. If not, check out our channel, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell because it tells you when we post so you don't miss out. See you on the next one. Woo!